Crash course on Netherlands. Geolocation, natural landscapes, outdoor adventures. The Netherlands may be known for its flat landscapes, but it is not without stunning natural beauty and exciting outdoor adventures. From unique geographical features to national parks and diverse outdoor activities, this country offers a surprising array of experiences. Let's dive into interesting stories, examples, and the top 12 attractions that showcase the Netherlands' natural landscapes and outdoor adventures. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The Delta Works. The Netherlands is renowned for its innovative approach to managing water. The Delta Works, a series of dams, sluices, and storm surge barriers, were constructed to protect the low-lying country from the threat of flooding. The Maeslantkering, a movable storm surge barrier in Rotterdam, is a remarkable engineering feat that showcases the country's battle against the sea. 2. The Wadden Sea. The Wadden Sea, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a unique natural wonder. It is the largest tidal wetland in Europe, home to a rich diversity of flora and fauna, and a crucial stopover for millions of migratory birds. Exploring the Wadden Sea by boat or taking a guided walking tour is a memorable experience. 3. Cycling in the national parks. The Netherlands is a cyclist's paradise, and its national parks offer fantastic opportunities for outdoor adventures. From Hoog Veluwe National Park with its bike-friendly trails to the wetlands of De Biesbosch National Park, cycling through these natural landscapes allows you to immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. Top 12 attractions of travel tips and itineraries. 1. Hoog Veluwe National Park. Explore the diverse landscapes of Hoog Veluwe, from heathlands and sand dunes to ancient forests, and visit the famous Kröller-Müller Museum, home to an extensive collection of Van Gogh's artwork. 2. De Biesbosch National Park. Discover the wetlands of De Biesbosch by canoe or kayak, observing unique flora and fauna, including beavers, and enjoying the tranquility of this natural paradise. 3. Wadden Islands. Hop on a ferry and visit the picturesque Wadden Islands, such as Texel, Terschelling, and Ameland, where you can explore sandy beaches, dunes, and charming villages. 4. Dune landscape of Schorl. Embark on a hike or bike ride through the dunes of Schorl, the highest and widest dune area in the Netherlands, offering breathtaking views and peaceful serenity. 5. Oostvaardersplassen. Witness the raw beauty of Oostvaardersplassen, a nature reserve known for its diverse bird population, wild horses, and expansive grasslands. 6. Limburgse Heuvels. Discover the rolling hills of Limburg, a southern province, perfect for cycling, hiking, and exploring picturesque villages like Valkenburg. 7. Weeribben-Weeden National Park. Navigate the labyrinth of canals and lakes in Weeribben-Weeden, the largest bog area in northwestern Europe, by renting a boat or joining a guided tour. 8. Dunes of Texel National Park. Explore the sandy dunes and coastal landscapes of Texel, the largest of the Wadden Islands, where you can also spot wildlife, visit charming villages, and enjoy beach activities. 9. National Park Zuid-Kennemerland. Enjoy a combination of dunes, forests, and open landscapes in Zuid-Kennemerland, home to diverse flora and fauna, including Scottish Highland cattle and Connacht horses. 10. Oysterwijksbossen en Vennen. Wander through the scenic forests and picturesque lakes of Oysterwijksbossen en Vennen, a nature reserve in North Brabant, perfect for hiking and outdoor picnics. 11. Hoog Kempen National Park. Venture into the woodlands, heathlands, and lakes of Hoog Kempen National Park in Limburg, offering numerous trails for hiking, biking, and wildlife spotting. 12. Westween Park in Wependal. Escape the bustling city of The Hague and explore the tranquility of Westween Park in Wependal, a nature reserve where you can enjoy scenic walks along the coastline. Summarizing this writing, the Netherlands may be a small country, but it offers a diverse range of natural landscapes and outdoor adventures. From cycling through national parks to exploring unique geographical features like the Delta Works and the Wadden Sea, there's something for every nature enthusiast. By following practical travel tips and visiting these top attractions, you can fully immerse yourself in the Netherlands' stunning natural beauty and embark on exciting outdoor adventures. Now, let's end this crash course on the Netherlands with a poem. In the Netherlands, nature's grace. Geographical wonders, in every place. Delta works rise, against the sea's might. The Wadden Sea, a bird's migratory flight. Hoog Veluwe's expanse, forests and sand. De Biesbosjes wetlands, nature's command. Wadden Island's charm, beaches serene. Dune landscape of Schorl, tranquility's sheen. Oostvaardersplassen, wild horses roam. Limburgse heuvels, hills lead us home. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.